Here we have a 2018 Holden Commodore LT ZB Turbo. It's a 9-speed automatic with a 2-litre petrol engine and 191 kilowatts of power. It has a 5-star ANCAP rating and comes with a 3 months web car warranty, and works on an engine stop-start system to save your fuel. It also has 17-inch alloy rims, it has electric heated mirrors and a keyless entry. Inside it has 6 airbags and a 7-speaker stereo system. It comes with AUX and USB input as well as Bluetooth connectivity. It includes a climate control 2-zone system and has sensors for humidity. It includes a dual exhaust system with a spare wheel in its cargo. It also has LED tail lights and a rear view camera. The rear seats are split fold. It also includes a trip computer with a lane departure warning, cruise control, parking assistance, crash avoidance with braking. It has a multifunction media screen which supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an electric park brake, it has electrical seats, inquire a webcar today.